Unit 7. Problem number 1. 6 over x times 7x plus 3. First step is to multiply. You multiply across to where you get 6 times 7 over x times x plus 3, which then comes out to be 42x squared plus 3x. Problem number 2. 6 over x divided by x plus 3 over 7. To multiply, you simply flip 7 over the x plus 3 and then cross multiply till you get 6x plus 18 over 7x. Problem number 3. Solve 6 over x equals 7 over x plus 3. You cross multiply, so you get 6 parentheses x plus 3 and parentheses equals 7x. Then you get 6x plus 18 equals 7x. You minus the 6x from both sides till you get 18 equals x. Problem number 4. 2 parentheses x plus 7 over x plus 4 minus 2 equals 4x plus 20 over 2x plus 8. You put the negative 2 above a 1 and divide down the 4 and the 2, so your LCD becomes x plus 4. Then you take your LCD and add it to all the end of the equations, so then you can take the x plus 4 and the x plus 4 out, and the x plus 4 here and the x plus 4 here. So therefore you are left with 2 parentheses x plus 7 minus 2 x plus 4 and parentheses equals 2 parentheses x plus 5 and parentheses. Then you get 2x plus 14 minus 2x minus 8 equals 2x plus 10. Then, after subtracting like terms, you get 6 equals 2x plus 10. You minus the 10 till you get negative 4 equals 2x. Then you divide by 2, and then you would get x equals negative 2. Problem number 5. Johnny takes 8 hours to mow the lawn of all his neighbors. Jenny and Johnny, working together, take 5 hours. How long would Jenny take to mow all the lawns by herself? So here, you take the 8 hours and put it into 40 3 times. Then you divide the first 40 by 8, the second 40 by y, and the second 40 divided by 5, to when you should get this, the y's cancel out, and you drop down there to where you would get 5y plus 40 equals 8y. You would minus 5 from both sides, so you get 40 equals 3y. Then you divide by 3, and the total number of hours would be 13.3 hours. Problem number 6. Science application. The foot-pound, also known as foot-pound force or joule, is traditionally English unit of work. It is equal to the work done by 1 pound of force acting through a distance of 1 foot. You can simply lever to lift a 300-pound rock. The force F in foot-pounds needed to lift the rock is inversely related to the distance d in feet from the pivot point of the lever. To lift the rock, you need 60 pounds of force applied to a lever with a distance of 10 feet from the pivot point. 6a. What force is needed when you increase the distance to 15 feet from the pivot point? So here you go. You get 10 parentheses 60 equals k over 10, and then you multiply 10, so they cancel out. So you would just you multiply these two together to get 600 equals k, and then how you get your force is you do 600 divided by 15, which would be force equals 40 pounds per feet. 6d. With the force of 100 pounds, how far does the lever have to be from you to lift the rock? So you get force equals 600 over d for distance. 600 divided by 100 equals 600 over distance divided by 600. The distance you would need to lift the lever would be 6 feet. What I learned from this Mr.sohoo, the Unit 7 practice test, is how to do the F equals K force over K equals over 4F equals K divided by distance. And I also learned how to simplify and solve using LCDs.